everyone, my name is Marta Jorge and it's with great enthusiasm that on behalf of Integra Dental Tech, I invite all Portuguese dentists to the Neobiotech Global Symposium 26, which will take place in the inspiring and vibrant Vietnam. Every year, we come together to share knowledge, innovation, and the passion for implantology, and 26 will not be an exception. Our mission remains clear and strong: help doctors to achieve 100% success in implantology every day for all their patients. Join experts from around the world to explore the latest advances, exchange experiences, and shape the future of clinical excellence together. Get ready to experience culture, the warmth and the beauty of Vietnam, a place where innovation meets inspiration. Don't miss it. Neobiotech Global Symposium 26. Together, we will make profession in implantology a daily reality.